Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the down button to scroll down and select the option called alarm clock. Once you select it, press the start button to enter. And here we have the alarms menu and we can do a couple of things. We can add the alarm, remove the alarm and edit the alarm. As you can see at this point we don't have any alarms, so we need to select add alarm, press the start button. This will bring us to this menu and here we can set the time on which the alarm should be going off. And we can set the hours by using the up and down buttons. Then we can press the start to go to minutes, set the minutes and then press the start and press it again to confirm. So this is our alarm and we can do a couple of things. We can select it and press start button to open the edit menu, and here we can enable it or disable it by selecting status and flicking it on or off. We can scroll down and change the time if you want to change it. We can also scroll even more down and select the repeat option, and this allows you to set on which days the alarm should go off. And if you select repeat, press start, it will open this menu and here you have a couple options. Once, if this option is selected, it will only go off once and it won't repeat next day basically, and you will need to enable it again for it to go off. If you select daily, it will go off every day. If you select weekday, it will go off on every weekday. If you select weekend, it will go on or go off on weekends. And if you select custom, you can select specific days for it to go off. So select custom, for example, press start, and here as you can see we have different days we can enable or disable to select specific days. And once you're done, you can press the back button. And now as you can see, the alarm will repeat on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Below you can also select sound and vibe, and here you can select which type of alerts should be on your alarms. You can select vibration, tone and both. Tone is basically the sound, so if your alarm goes off and you select tone, it will make a sound. If you select vibration, it will vibrate. If you select tone and vibration, it will do both things. If you select none, it will do nothing. Basically, it will just display information on the screen of your watch that the alarm is going off. So select the option you like and then press the start button to confirm. And below we have backlight, we can enable it or disable it. And at the bottom we have, maybe not at the bottom, but second last option is label. Basically we can assign the label for the alarm to recognize it easily. So we can open the label menu and select one of the labels, for example, reminder. And once you're done editing the alarm, you can press the back button and here we have it. You can add another alarm if you want to by selecting add alarm, like this. Now we have two of them, and you can also remove the alarms. To do it, select the one you want to remove, press the start button to enter the editing menu, scroll down, select delete, press the start button to delete the alarm, like this. And once you're done making or setting up your alarms, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.